Right here I have Grinds, and this is going to be 4 times the caffeine that they traditionally had in the past. Now these are amazing. So you can actually get this in a 3-pack or a 6-pack. I ended up getting the 3-pack, and this is going to be the Red Eye Espresso. So this is going to be jam-packed with 100 milligrams of caffeine. Now let's open this up and take a look. You're going to get 12 pouches per can, and this is going to be really convenient. All you got to do is just take one, put it right there in your cheek. And you don't have to put it like up in the front. You could actually put it in the back, totally fine. But this is perfect for somebody that lives an active lifestyle. So if you wake up in the morning, maybe you actually don't have time to brew that cup of coffee, you have somewhere to be, this is gonna be very convenient for you. And I'd probably recommend something like this, especially if you are hiking too. If you're gonna go on that hiking trip, it could be a little bit tricky to actually brew coffee on a hiking trip. If you take one of these, when you wake up in the morning or you're going on a hike, throw one of these in your lip, it's gonna be 100 milligrams of caffeine that's gonna wake you up and get you ready to go. And it actually tastes really good. It's actually comfortable. It doesn't feel too big in my lip. This is the Red Eye Espresso, and it's actually really good. It works pretty good. It says that it's instant energy, and honestly, I've been using this for a couple days now, and I can feel the kick as you have this in your lip. It only takes like 2 to 5 minutes, and you're already feeling the caffeine hit you. It's really awesome, and this is a really convenient way for someone that lives an active lifestyle. So I've actually had this in my lip for about 5 minutes now, and I can really feel the juices flowing. Every time I swallow, it's actually really refreshing. It is very, very good, surprisingly. I did not think that it would taste this good, and I can feel the caffeine actually hitting me. I have noticed that on the can, there's actually this spot on the top. I would assume that this is for taking one of these pouches out and actually placing it in here if you want to save it for later, because you can actually use these for up to an hour, and it's going to have that savory flavor and provide energy for an hour. So that's really good to know. All you have to do is just place it between your lip and your gum and just sit it there, and that's it. But this is really good for somebody who lives an active lifestyle. Maybe you want to wake up in the morning, go on that run, throw one of these in your lip, hit the run, the caffeine's going to start hitting you in the morning. I think this is a great alternative to people that don't have enough time to make coffee in the morning. This is going to be your go-to. It's just nice to maybe keep one of these in your car, keep one of these in your gym bag or your backpack. So whenever you run into that situation, when you do want that quick caffeine, this is going to be a great alternative. I highly recommend this. This stuff is amazing. It tastes so good, and it actually works. Go and check this out for yourself. Add this to your Amazon cart. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.